Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel Anis Tech. Today my topic is light reaction. Light reaction. The term light reactions are light dependent reactions is used. The reason that during this phase our photosynthesis light energy captured and converted into chemical energies. Some of the light is utilized to split water into oxygens and H electrons. Is this splitting water is called photolysis. Oxygen which produced during photolysis is released in the environment where together with CO2 are used in building glucose in chloroplast. Different pigments absorb light of different legends. Amongst them chlorophyll is the main light capturing molecules. Thylakoid membrane which absorb violet, blue and red light but reflect green, therefore it appear green. In that thylakoid membrane pigments and electron carrier molecules from highly organisms assemblies in a series called photosynthesis. Each thylakoid contains thousands of copies of two different kind of photosystems called photosystems 1 and 2. Each consists of two major parts: a light harvesting complex and an electron transport systems. The conversion of light's energy takes place when the chlorophyll of reaction center receives energy. One of the electrons from chlorophyll energized electrons move from one carrier to next. The electrons release energy when it's come from one carrier to next. The electrons released to energy rich compound. These are NADP. NADP is the compound which is already present in a cell. It combines through carrier in a positive photosynthesis. Also present in chloroplast is reduced in NADPH by accepting hydrogen ions released from splitting of waters. ADP and NADPH both are energy rich compounds which provide energy. Hydrogens and positive for the conversion of atmospheric into carbohydrates in chloroplast during light independence phase of photosynthesis. This phase this phase of photosynthesis does not require energy of photon but also take place in day simultaneously with the light reactions. The ATP and NADPH synthesis during the light dependent reactions are resolved in stroma. They provide energies to power the synthesis of glucose from CO2 and H2O. This phase occurs independently without light as long as ATP and NADPH are available. This phase of photosynthesis is cyclic phase. It occurs in a set of reactions called Calvin's Benson cycle due to its discovery or the C2,3 carbon containing compounds formed in Italy cycle. The cycle occurs normally from air. Some of it also comes from respirations, capturing sugar, pentose sugars enzymes to catalyze all the reactions. Energy from ATP and NADPH come from light dependent reactions. Rate of biochemical reactions depend on some factors which affect the rate of called limiting factors. For example, at low light intensity, rate of photosynthesis increase continuously, but at a high light intensity the rate becomes constant. Light intensity, carbon dioxide concentrations and temperature all be limited factors for the rate of photosynthesis. Following graphic shows the idea of limiting factors is large breaking of waters, boiling tube stand and collapse paper clip fresh water head. Thanks for watch.